Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Oh, I thought there was somebody out there. So, you know what time it is? Boom, boom. You know what time it is? Boom, boom. Time for us to eat her dinner. That's what time it is? Boom, boom. Pow, pow, pow. Pow, pow. Have you tried that on your iPhone yet? I bet you haven't. Or I bet you have. I did. And it worked. So, I was about just digging there, wasn't I? Naughty Risha. We've got some couscous with garlic, chilli, and butter. You gotta have your butter. And a bit of parsley in, quite a bit, quite a lot. Then we have got lovely burritos. Now, I can't remember what ones I've got in what. Oh, guacamole and sour cream in these ones. And the rest are just on salsa, cheese and salad. The rest are just salsa, cheese and salad, like these three. So, plus I've got more sour cream here. I made me couscous right this week. This time, not this week. Was it? Oh, whatever. So how are you doing, guys? Over there. And of course, for drinky poops, you know, blackcurrant. Right. It's been absolutely gorgeous up here the day. Absolutely gorgeous. It has been. Let's get one of these. See, guys. It's all coming out. It's all squishing out. Yep, you can't set out to have a crazy hour. Why not? No, why? She could have done it before when I wasn't filming, but you know. Just absolutely crazy. Chasing that own tail. Aye, I'm talking about ye. Freaking nutter. Back. So as I was saying, today has been absolutely a belter of a day. I went over to the bank. Obviously this is pre-recorded. So went over to the bank, Visa trip, because on the website it said that they were going to be open. So yeah, it was me thinking that they were going to be open. Let's put this here so I'm not stretching over. And all things like that. It was just like the deposit part, what was open. Cheers. Not what I wanted. So I've done a wasted trip into Newcastle City Centre, basically. Wasted trip, wasted money. If I hadn't known that, I would have asked my son for his bank card, and I would have went into his bank, and then he could have transferred it over to me. There's actually quite a few more people in than what I expected, like, in the town. Obviously you had your students, you did, what you were like, going to the chemist or the post office. But yeah, I felt like it was just a wasted journey, do you know what I mean? Wasted money. Nope. Love anything like this. So how's yours been? All okay, I hope. Cost me some, we need some garden chairs. I'm like, where we're gonna get them? I was like, as I was walking, I wasn't walking around, sorry. I just went to the bank. And then I was thinking, will I go to M&S? But then I thought, I would have to walk all the way around to get in. But they were actually letting them in through like the closed way. If you're from Newcastle, if you've been to M&S, you know what I mean. But then I couldn't judge the queue because I couldn't see the queue to see what was like inside, you know. So I just went straight back to the bus stop. I thought, just come back to the bus stop, you're safe there. But then I remembered that the Green Market was open. I could have had a nip in there and getting a bit of shopping. Never mind. I only remembered when I was on the bus on the way home. I'm dripping all over. I drip, drip, drip. Dripping all over. I nearly wasn't going to make this video because next door's got the music blaring. And I thought if I could hear it when I'm filming, there's no way I could do it. But fine. I mean, I had the music on before as I was cleaning, but I had it in the house. They've got the car out the front, so they've got the radio on in the car, so the whole entire street can hear it. Like, we didn't want to hear choppy music, you know. There's Errands. Yep. Yeah, honestly. She's chasing that tail, you know. Just stopped. She has. Absolute freaking crackers. Pardon me. So what you doing over bank holiday weekend? Anything good? I've just been at work that day. Front garden, back garden. Oh, starting to get full now. Starting to get full. Barely talk today. I think because I'm hungry. With it being a wrap type, I don't want it to go like too cold. I think that's what it is. It's not worse when you've got a cold burrito. Is it? Oops. Definitely getting full now, like. Oh, it's like a workout. If you see me head tilting like that, because the notifications just come on my phone. I'm stuffed. I can't eat anymore. Whew. I may as well finish the rest. There we go. I'm stuffed. So guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I know I hardly spoke, but this is an eating channel, you know, so some days I'm tired to eat, some days I'm not being off. I was just hungry, but I don't want the video going on and on and on. So, thank you for watching. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. And in saying that, I will leave yous and love yous and leave yous. And I hope you take care. Bye.